In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving exponential equations using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you guys that you will basically be able to solve problems you encounter involving exponential equations. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video. As usual, you guys are going to learn a lot. So having done that, let's look at the questions we have here and get started. So if you check, you will observe that we have three questions to practice with, of which after solving them with you in this video, you will be in a better position to replicate similar process to solve problems involving exponential equations with the TI-84. Alright, so let's get a calculator now and get started. Alright, so this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now guys, the very first thing you have to do will be to reset the calculator. Very important to put it in default mode. So to reset it, press second button, then this plus button. You press 7 for reset, press 1 to reset all around, press 2, and it will begin to do that. Alright, done. Press clear. Okay, so let's begin with question 1. It says simplify this. Alright, so 1 over 5 in brackets, the exponent is 2x minus 3 equals 625. So let's go to equation solver on this calculator. To do this, you press this math button, then go to the very last option, press this arrow key here, it will get here. Alright, so we have solver, press enter. Alright, so when you press it, it will bring you to this place, equation solver. So the E1 is for the values at the left side of the equation. The E2 is for the values at the right side of the equation. So let's begin with E1. So is in fraction, open bracket. So to bring out the fraction symbol, we press alpha, this button. Alright, so press 1. So we have 1 over 5. Okay, you close the bracket. The exponent or the power is 2x. Press this button for x minus 3. Alright, so you come down to E2 and put the next value. We have 625. Okay, so that's it guys. Now let's press this graph button for OK. So once you do it, it will basically assign x value here to be 0. So guys, leave it like this, don't press any other thing. Alright, so to solve this, if you check carefully, it says press alpha solve to get the output. So you press alpha, look at the solve button written in green color, so press enter. So you see the output is what? X is minus 0.5. So that's the answer to this question, the value of x. So it's as simple as this guys. Let's clear this and solve question 2. Very interesting guys. To remove everything here, just clear the calculator, press second, this plus button, press 7, press 1 and press 2. Alright, so it's done. So let's go back to equation solver. Okay, so press enter. Yeah, so question 2 says we have 2 to the power 2x plus 4 in bracket 2 to the power of x minus 32 equals 0. So let's impute it. This one will be at the E1 and this 0 will be at the E2. Okay, so we have 2 to the power 2s. Okay, then come down plus, what else do we have? We have 4 in brackets 2 to the power x. Okay, you come down and close the bracket, minus 32. Alright, so that's what we have there. Yeah, so come to the E2 and put 0. So that is guys, very simple. Now let's press OK, press this graph button. Alright, so the value of x is assigned 0. Leave it like this guys, don't press any other thing. Now press alpha and solve. Alright, so to solve it, x, the output is what? 2. So the value of x here is what? So is as simple as this, guys. So let's clear this and solve the last question before you call it a class, so that you guys understand this better. Press second, this plus button, press 7, press 1, and press 2. Alright, so that's it. Now, question 3 says we have 3 to the power 2x minus 3 to the power x plus 2 equals 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 27. Okay guys, before you solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you're learning from this video. I really appreciate this, guys, and it helps the YouTube algorithm to push out this video to more people to notice it. Thanks guys. So having done that, let's solve this question 3. So we have, let's go to equation solver first, press maths. Alright, so this is it. So the E1 will be, we have 3 to the power 2x. Okay, 3 to the power 2x. Okay, you come down, put minus, we have 3, alright, to the power x plus 2, x plus 2. Okay, you come down, equals, so you go to E2. The equality sign here is not your concern. Just come here and put 3 to the power x plus 1. Okay, come down, minus 27. So this is what we have here, guys. Let's check. Yeah, it's correct. It's correct, guys. So let's press this OK button, press graph, then x is assigned 0. Don't press anything again. Here, just press second, no, just press alpha and solve to get the output. Alpha, solve. So you see the output is 0.99, which is approximately what, 1. Alright, so the value of x here is 0.99, which is approximately 1. So guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving exponential equations using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to the channel once more, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding the things I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I will ensure to give a response. Thanks for watching. Now click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to reset once you are done. Just press second, this plus button, then press 7, press 1, and press 2. Alright, so we are good to go, guys. Thanks for watching.